In this video, we teach you how to manually enter a supplier bill in Xero. Add a supplier bill from anywhere in Xero by clicking the plus icon, then choose Bill. Enter the supplier name in the From field, select an existing contact, or click New Contact to add a new supplier. If you select an existing contact you've created bills for in the past, an Add Last Items option will appear, allowing you to quickly add the same items from their previous bill, which you can then edit if needed. Enter the date and due date from the supplier paperwork by typing into each field or using the calendar picker. You can enter an optional reference if needed. The Files icon allows you to upload the original supplier paperwork and save a copy against the transaction in Xero. Then, enter the details of the product or service purchased in the description field. Similar to a sales invoice, enter the quantity and unit price, and select the account to categorize the expense. Once you're happy the details you've entered into Xero agree to your supplier paperwork, click Save to save the bill as a draft, or Approve to save the bill and include it as an amount you owe. Continue to add bills to record your business expenses and track amounts you owe your suppliers.